Lists are a useful way of sharing quotes and customized bundles with your colleagues or billing accounts. Sharing a list is easy. To start, navigate to the My Account section and click on one of the existing lists that you've created. Alternatively, you can access your list via the person icon on the top right hand corner via the My List menu option. Click on Share List. You can either send a copy of this list or you can allow others to view or edit the list. Sending a copy of the list will send a copy of your list to your desired recipients. Fill in your name and the recipient's email addresses, separated by commas, and a short message detailing what's in the list. Alternatively, if you'd like to allow others to view and edit the list, you could select the second option. You can either share the list or make the list available to all users on the billing account. Additionally, you can allow others to edit the list. Enter your name again and the user's email addresses separated by commas when entering multiple addresses, along with a short description of the list, and click on Send. They will then be able to follow a link to view, and if you allowed them to edit the list. Click on Close to complete.